Hey there, everybody at John's Plumbing. My name's Jose, and here's the video that we promised you guys on your website. So today I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on how to get more clients in through your website organically. That way you can stop paying for Yelp and all those other services that actually share your leads with other companies anyway. So let's stop wasting time and get right to it, guys. My name is Jose, and I'm with SEO Amarillo TX, and let's get right to it, guys. So the first tip I want to give you guys is content. Google and all these search engines really love content. And by content, I mean everything here that's in the blue. Your words and your images. So, for example, see this picture here? When I go to save as, see how it's saved under images 03320W? It's not helping you at all. This is what Google reads when it crawls your website. And so you want it to be saved as a keyword. Say John's Plumbing, Birmingham, Alabama. That is what people are typing into Google, right? Or save it as plumbers, Birmingham, Alabama. That's a better keyword because it'll target people that don't know your name as well. So you want to do that with every one of your pictures on your whole website. Take the image down, save it as a keyword, and then re-upload it. This will help you start ranking for those words. Okay, now you want about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and about 750 words on any back page that you want to rank for any of your services. And you want to pack it with keywords again. Okay, so I pulled up a couple of your competitors here, and I put you guys in this tool that I use called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com, that you can use yourself to look at your back end of your website. So see here, you're being found for 178 words, but let's take a closer look at that. Okay, it's taking forever to load. Here we go. So let's line it up from first position to last and see which words you're being found for. Plumber, Birmingham, Alabama. 80 searches a month. You're in the first position for that, so good job on that. Plumbing, Birmingham, Alabama. 150 searches a month. First position for that. So you are in first position for a few words. Let's see, plumber, and these are the same. 80, 40. Okay, then we're going to the second position now. Okay, now that's the ideal thing is to get first position for all these words, because first position will take 30% of all the searches, and as you can imagine, second position will take even less. Okay, second position for all these words here, and then third position, fourth position. Okay, so you're still on the first page, but you're at the bottom of the first page. And then here, once you get to 12th, 11th, and 12th positions, then you're already not being found for these words. So you're really only being found for about 40 words out of those. How many did we say? Let's go back here. Out of these 178 keywords. So that's why I really recommend you get that content filled with keywords so you can start ranking for more of these words that you do already have on your website. Okay, and the way you get that is through backlinks, which brings us to our second point. You see here's your strength of your front page, and this is your overall strength of your website, which is a 1.1. Now see, these guys have a weaker website. Let's see these guys here. See these guys, 2,480 backlinks. You guys have 200 backlinks. But the number doesn't matter how many you have. What matters is the quality of your backlinks. And just by looking at your backlinks, I went in and looked them all up, and you have a lot of spammy backlinks. So you want to go in and get some high quality backlinks to bring these scores up. The good thing about this tool is that it allows me to go into your competitors and look at their strong backlinks and go after those and then add some more on top of that. So you really want to concentrate on getting some high backlinks to get some power to your website, give some power to your keywords. Okay, so number 3, the map pack here. The way to beat your competitors out on this map pack is by getting citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, address, and phone number on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, that's a citation. And there's a lot of free citations online, so go after them. Find out how many your competitors have and get about 20 or 30 more citations, and that'll really help you guys start ranking on the map pack. So those are the 3 tips I wanted to give you guys. Number 1, get that content, 1,500 words on your front page with optimized content, optimized pictures. Number 2, get them backlinks, high quality backlinks to bring your score up. And number 3, the citations to start ranking on that map pack. That will really bring you in a lot of leads. So that's it for me, guys. My name is Jose with SEO Amarillo TX. Feel free to reach me at 806-268-7118 if you guys got any questions. You have a good one.